The labor market in the United States is going strong. More Americans are working. Discouraged ones getting back in the game, and the unemployment rate remains at an 8-year low. This morning, the Labor Department said 242,000 jobs were added in February, more than what was expected. That, along with 4.9% unemployment, puts the labor market at a level considered to be full employment. But there was one big disappointment. Wage growth fell its first monthly decline in more than a year. Hampton Pearson has the details.
Healthcare providers, retailers, and restaurants led a robust hiring surge in February. Leading economists say the strong job market should ease Wall Street concerns a recession might be on the horizon.
There's a big disconnect between the Wall Street chatter about recession and negative interest rates and all that. People's confidence in current conditions has gone up in February. It was a good month for that.
But still, the jobs report was a mixed bag. More Americans who'd been sitting on the sidelines came back into the job market last month and got hired. But wage growth decreased after a spike in January. It's the last jobs report before the Federal Reserve meets in 2 weeks.
All in all, there's something for everyone in this number, but it doesn't really change the dial for the Fed over the next 3 months or so.
In February, the jobs came from retailers, hiring nearly 55,000 new workers, with restaurants and bars adding another 40,000. Offsetting those gains, the loss of more than 140,000 jobs in the energy sector just in the last 12 months. In Washington, D.C., the business confidence has sparked a hotel construction boom. More than 24 under construction, adding another 5,000 rooms in the next 2 years. Modus Hotels is building one of the first micro-hotels here, after similar successes in New York City. Aaron Katz is Modus president and CEO.
A project like this will probably hire approximately 100 people. It'll be 40 to 50 in the hotel operation, 40 to 50 in the restaurant area.
A new concept hotel requires a new age workforce. Josh Runis is the firm's digital marketing manager and one of the new hires.
When you're looking for a job, you're interviewing a company just as much as they're interviewing you.
The challenge in the months ahead to generate enough consumer spending to create more hiring with higher wages and create a kind of virtuous economic cycle even the Fed might like. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Hampton Pearson in Washington.